Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Philips Saver 1000 series, the model S1141. Fast, clean shave with power cut blades, 40 minutes run time. And let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manuals. Protective cap keeps the shaving head clean between shaves. Very easy to install and remove. The cable. Type A at this connection. You can plug it in at the back. And you need a 5V 1 amp power adapter. The battery provides 40 minutes of saving power on 8-hour charge. That is too long. So let's place it at the power adapter and charge it. Battery indicator to know when it's time to charge. It will be solid on when it's fully charged. We have ergonomic grip for comfortable handling. Soft elements here. The ergonomic handle with rubber stays secure and comfortable, even when wet. I like that. One touch open for easy cleaning, so you can rinse the clean under running water. With IPX7 waterproof rating means it can be submerged in 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. Rinse under running water or shave in the shower. Power cut 27 self-sharpening blades for a consistent clean shave. 4D flexed heads follows your face for a comfortable shave and are suitable for head shaving. I will show you in a moment. You can use it when it's charging. You need to unplug. To be honest, I would like to use this saver when it's charging. It will be more convenient. Sometimes you forget to charge the saver, so plug in and use it. That is not going to happen, and I will prefer to have a lithium-ion battery inside this unit. So let's wait until it will charge and test it. And after a long time of use, you need to replace the blades. Let me show you how you can do that. Open. There's a plastic here. Rotate. It has arrows, and there it is. You can remove the cover for the blades, and there's the blade inside here. Replace and install. And install again the blades inside this head. And then the cover to secure the blades. Alignment. We have the knob here. Rotate the knob and it locks. That was all. It's a reliable, hassle-free electric shaver that gets the job done for everyday grooming, simple, effective and budget-friendly. Perfect for first-time electric shaver users, travelers needing a compact option, sensitive skin sufferers, it has a low irritation design, budget-conscious shoppers. The power cut blades that consistently cut hair just above skin level 1.5 mm, the length, for a smooth, even finish every day. Works with foam, gel or in the shower. Pro tip: clean after every 3 uses for optimal blade performance. And that concludes our hands-on review of the Philips shaver. If you are looking for an affordable yet effective electric shaver, this model deserves your attention. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more reviews and grooming tips. Try the shaver yourself. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Thanks for watching, stay sharp and I'll catch you in the next one.